Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 5 power 2x is equals to 21 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So I'm going to take log on both sides. So log 5 power 2x is equals to log 21. So 2x log 5 is equals to log 21. So I'm taking base 5 both sides, and according to log rule, log a with base a is always equals to 1. So 2x times 1 is equals to log 21 base 5. So 2x is equals to log 21 base 5. So x is equals to log 21 base 5 by 2. And when we solve this, the value of x is 0.9458. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.